Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today we're diving into a surprising topic. Could a common vitamin actually be causing your hair loss? And which vitamin can help promote hair growth? Stay tuned to find out. When we think about vitamins, we usually consider them purely beneficial, right? But what if I told you that there's one that might be doing more harm than good when it comes to your hair, and another that could help you grow it back? Let's explore. We're talking first about vitamin A, a vital nutrient for many body functions, including vision and immune health. But there's a catch. Vitamin A is essential, but like many things, more isn't always better. Excessive intake can lead to toxicity, and symptoms include hair loss, which surprises many of my patients. Too much vitamin A can overload your hair follicles. Initially, it speeds up your hair cycle, pushing hairs into the shedding phase faster than normal, which leads to hair loss. And it's not just supplements. Eating a diet very high in vitamin A-rich foods like certain fish, meats, and vegetables can also tip the scales. Now, let's talk about biotin, also known as vitamin B7, which is fantastic for hair health. Biotin helps to produce keratin, the protein that makes up your hair, skin, and nails, promoting thicker hair and increased growth. A deficiency in biotin can lead to thinning hair, which makes biotin supplementation a potential game changer for those experiencing hair loss. If you're concerned about hair loss, consider evaluating your vitamin A intake and possibly increasing your biotin intake. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. They can help tailor a plan that's right for you. Remember, vitamins are your friends, but they must be taken correctly. Be sure to follow recommended guidelines and consult with healthcare professionals. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more updates, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. See you in the next video.